The name Campillo de Aragón presents variants such as Campiello, derived from the Latin campellus, which means small field, a common term in medieval toponymy. From the mid-13th century, the village was integrated into the community of villages of Calatayud, heir to the Charter of 1131, and a key element in the territorial organization of the Kingdom of Aragon, especially along its border with Castile. Within this context, Peter III of Aragon ordered in 1280 the protection of the rights and customs of the inhabitants of the village, as part of a border stabilization policy that culminated in agreements with Alfonso X of Castile in 1281. Later, in 1328, Alfonso IV of Aragon mentioned the village alongside Cetina and Ariza as part of the domains of the Order of St. John of Jerusalem, evidencing a change in its manorial regime. Although specific details about the castle in the 15th century are unknown, the name Campillo de Aragón presents variants such as Campiello, derived from the Latin campellus, which means small field, a common term in medieval toponymy. From the mid-13th century, the village was integrated into the community of villages of Calatayud, heir to the Charter of 1131, and